Hi all. Today, what we are going to see is how to remove duplicate values in Excel. Let me open the Excel sheet. In that, I am opening a blank workbook. S- For example, student ID is there. Student ID 12131516 and 1213. So here we have some duplicate numbers. So we are going to see how to remove duplicate numbers in this list. Okay, so in menu there is menu called data. In that we have option called remove duplicate. If we click this option, it will show which column we have selected. That student ID. If we click OK, then it will remove the duplicate values. For example, we have consider like we have value as text. Consider student name, um, Mark Sandy Joel Rom Shiva. Consider consider this column has some duplicate value. So how to remove duplicate value? This is a text column. How to remove the duplicates from the text? So same option like in data menu, we need to click on remove duplicates. Then duplicate value will be automatically removed. Thank you.